This is a Kallitype in Combo Developer. See, it looks very almost rusty brown. After washing it, didn't look quite so rusty brown before I washed it, after I developed it. Now I'm going to put some gold toner on it, and you will see it magically change to a much richer, darker, different tone. So you go through an almost kind of brick red to an almost eggplant kind of purple, or at least eggplant-ish. Although depending on the paper and even things like the humidity and water temperature, this kind of print can range from a deep brown to an eggplant kind of purple-ish hue. And of course, if I use, this was a combo developer, which is half sodium acetate and ammonium citrate, 50% each, with a gold toner. I use a palladium toner. It'll come out much more beige and a little lighter beige, kind of a neutralish beige. If I use the Henry Hall developer, the first phase is really black, and then when it's washed, it becomes more of a beige, and then gold on top of that instead of an eggplant is black again, with a little bit of an eggplantish hue to it, but really pretty black. As you can see, this is losing its brownishness a bit and going into that purpley-ish eggplant. And you can see it's also much darker than the original, well, I should say the washed print. It's about as dark, maybe it's a little darker than right after development. I didn't show you that right after development. It was very rusty orange, but darker than it was when I began this video after rinsing. So it's probably close to done. When in the shadows I see a little bit more purple, not really in the border, but in the darker shadows, see more purple and less brown, then I know it's kind of pretty much toned. It will stay in the darker shadows a little bit more brownish, and then in the mid-tones a little bit more neutral purpley-ish. And actually, after it's fixed and rinsed and dried, it will probably even become a little bit more purplish than it is now. So time to rinse off the toner, and then fix, clear, and wash.